today I went to Walmart and I bought this toy. And I'm going to be showing you when I'm opening it. Okay, and here it is. Here it is. A Barbie thing. Barbie shop set. And now I'm going to be showing you to open it. So here it is. Now open it. Basket. Wait. Here's a basket. Inside. That's the basket. It has Barbie's face on it. And I can't really see it. Yeah. On the camera. Guys, she looks so pretty. Oh my gosh, she has purple lipstick. Maybe she'll have look, the purple lipstick. It looks pink in the camera, but it's actually purple. She has blue. Wait, this is not Barbie. Barbie has pink lips, not purple. Okay, anyways, here's it on. And now we're gonna open this stuff. I hope you had a good weekend. Cause it was the weekend, but now it's not.